Hello everyone, welcome back to this series. So in today's video, we are going to look how strip method works in Python. There are many misconceptions that strip method is used to remove spaces only. This is not the case. Using strip method, we can also remove characters. So let's look how it works. Before going forward, if you have not subscribed to this channel, so please go and subscribe so that you will get the regular updates on the latest topics. So in this video, we will look how strip, lstrip and rstrip, these three methods work. Let's look at this with an example. Suppose I have defined one string str which is containing always. So always string is there, so str is the string variable. We are using strip method here. The first case comes when we do not pass anything inside strip. By default, it will remove leading and trailing spaces. Right now there are no leading and trailing spaces. So leading spaces are spaces before string and trailing spaces are spaces after string. So this is trailing space, this is leading space. Okay, so the strip method, if we have not passed anything, it will remove these spaces. By default, the strip method will remove spaces. So let's try to run this. We can see the left side space and right side spaces are removed. Suppose we have given more than one space, here also more than one spaces. So each and every space before the string and after the string will be removed if we are not passing any parameter in the strip method. Let's try to run this. We can see in the output screen below left side. So all the spaces to the left and to the right are removed. So let's come to the second scenario. If we are passing some parameters, some characters in as a parameter in the strip method. Suppose I am passing a space and l. Okay, so the point to notice here is we have passed three characters. One is a, one is space, one is l. Whenever we are whatever we are passing here, if any of these characters is found in this string, trailing side or leading side, means in the leftmost side, in the rightmost side, so it will be removed. And as the first mismatch will be found, everything will break and it will return the final list. So let's look at with this example. Suppose we have passed this in the strip method, a space and l, three characters we have passed. So what it will do, it will look from the left. First, because we are using strip, so it will look from the left and from the right, both sides. First it will look from, let's look from the left. Space, because we are passing a space and l, so space will be removed, again space, all the spaces will be removed. Then there comes a is also there in the passed argument, so a will be removed. Then there is l, so l also will be removed. So then there is w, we have not passed w here, so there is one mismatch, so it will break, it will remove till this. Okay, from the right side also all the spaces will be removed because we have passed one space and we have passed a and l, but there is s, so from the right side here it will break, so it will remove this portion and this space portion. So ways will be print. Let's try to print this out. You can see the output in the below side, ways. Okay, in the similar way, suppose I have also passed one s here, so now from the right side this s also will be removed. Let's try to this. You can see way is there. So this is all about strip method. The remaining two methods, lstrip and rstrip. For lstrip we need to use the lstrip method. This is the lstrip method. Everything will be same, but here it will not look from the trailing and leading and trailing ends. Okay, l means left, so it will look from left only. Okay, so we are passing a, l and s and space, a space l s. Out of these four, if anything is found from left side, it will be removed, and if any mismatch is found, that will break there. So we are passing a space l s, so one space is found, it will be removed because it is from one of the parameters. A is found, it will be removed. Then next l is found, it will be removed. Then w is there, we have not passed w here, so it will break there, so it will return these ways and these spaces also. because we have used L strip. So L strip will remove from left only. There will be no effect in the right side. So let's try to run this. We can see WAYS with these much spaces. Right side spaces are as it is. The same is with R strip method. Instead of looking into left, now we will look into right side. All the concepts are same, but now it will look from right side. We have passed a space ls in the R strip method as arguments. So it will look from right. All the spaces will be removed because we have passed one space also. S will be removed because we have passed S also. Y will not be removed because we have not passed Y in character. So it will break at this point and it will print all these things. Let's try to run this out. We can see it's printing all these. Hope all these three methods, strip, L strip and R strip, are clear with you. If you have any doubt, you can write into the comments below. Thanks for watching.